My name is Trevor Derize. I'm the Director of Marketing for KTM Bike Industries North America. KTM Bike Industries is the cycling side of KTM. KTM has actually been making bicycles since 1964. We've been in North America though for about 3 years, bringing e-bikes over the entire time, but I consider 2016 to be our first real year. We have 4 models currently available here in North America: a full suspension mountain bike, a hardtail 29er mountain bike, and then 2 like city cross type bikes. Yeah, so this is our Macina Lycan 272. It's one of our bigger travel full suspension e-bikes, and it has the CX line drivetrain from or motor from Bosch. They're top of the line, highest torque, most power drive system, and this has a 500 watt power pack as well, the battery. So you're getting quite a bit of life out of this. On eco mode, you can go over 100 miles. And this specific model will be available late 2017, early 2018. And we have a handful of other full suspension, bigger travel bikes that we're really excited for that are on their way over for 2018 as well. Awesome, so this is the Macina Cross. This is one of 2 Macina Cross options that we have. This is our kind of city commuter around the town bike. It's what's most unique about it is this also has the CX drivetrain on it from Bosch, the CX motor, which is their highest torque, most power option. And so this bike is really set up and built like a performance mountain bike. But its purpose is for around town, getting you to the grocery store, to school, to work, things like that. And so what's cool about having that extra power is you can actually ride this bike off road. You can take it up steep hills with you can put racks on it, have a lot of weight, things like that, and it's still going to perform as if it's just one of our regular electric bikes. This one's right around mid-4s, and it's going to be different for the other one. We have one other option on this Macina Cross with a lower top tube.
So, yesterday was the Bosch electric mountain bike race, and you won that, didn't you?
I did, yeah.
That's great. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, what do you think of electric mountain bike racing?
It was my first e-bike race ever, and it was probably one of the most fun times I've ever had on a bicycle. Going up the climbs, fully pinned, was incredible. It was all of the things that you love about mountain biking, but enhanced. I worked as hard as I do in a regular cross-country race, yeah. But you're just rewarded like tenfold for your efforts. So it was a ton of fun.
Yeah. So did you find that with the electric assist that it changed the dynamic of how you use that assist in certain corners or uphills, and just how you handle that compared to a traditional bike? Totally.
There's a lot of strategy and kind of techniques that you can bring to the table to an e-bike race. This was my first one, so I don't know all of them. Just thinking about it, the bike only assists you up to 20 miles per hour, and so for our bikes, you get basically 3 times the wattage that you put into them, up to 600 watts. So if I'm doing 350 watts, and the bike is going to do 600 watts, so I'm doing 950 watts. So you kind of plan your efforts with what the bike can do. And then always keep in mind that assist is going to stop right at 20 miles per hour. So being kind of strategic about where you're going full gas and where you're kind of letting the bike do the work is important. But it's a blast.
Yeah. Are you planning on doing more electric mountain bike races?
I am. Yeah. Bosch is putting together a series actually. I think one of them is going to be in Big Bear, California, and another is going to be at Mammoth Kamikaze Games. And we'll be at both of those, demoing our bikes, and we'll have some different athletes participating in those races. And I hope it's something that catches on, because it's a ton of fun.
That's great. Yeah. Well, congratulations again. Yeah, cool.
So all of our bikes are listed on our website, ktmbikeindustries.com. The Austrian site is ktm-bikes.at. They have a wide variety of electric bikes that are only available in Europe, so we are the .com. And our social media is Facebook.com/KTM Bikes USA, and all of our handles are at KTM Bikes USA.